Hello friends, in previous videos related to mathematics we have studied 9.1 and 9.2 exercise of sequence and series. In this video we will learn some formulas related to exercise 9.3 and we will do some questions also. Exercise 9.3 is related to GP. We will study about GP. Let's see what is GP. GP we full form is geometric progression. Here we will see what is the geometric progression. First we will see the definition of the geometric progression. Let's we see the definition of the geometric progression. If any sequence have some common ratio, have same common ratio, this type of sequence is called geometric progression. This type of sequence is called GP or geometric progression. In this there is the common ratio. If there are T1, T2, T3 Tn in GP, then we will see the formulas. Tn will be equal to a r to the power n minus 1. This is the important formula. Tn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. In AP we have also studied that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, but here in GP formula of Tn is a r to the power n minus 1. Tn is also known as L. L means last term. This formula will be also a r to the power n minus 1, where n is the number of term and a is the first term, r is the common ratio. Here we will see how can we get the common ratio. R is equal to T2 upon T1, T3 upon T2, T4 upon T3 and many. Here we will see how to write series in GP. Then A will be the first term, series in GP. We will write AR, AR square, AR cube, dot, AR to the power n minus 1. This will be the series in GP. We will see the formula of Sn, sum of n terms in GP. Here there are two formula for the sum of n term in GP when r is less than 1. When common ratio is less than 1, then we will write the formula for Sn sum of n term in GP. Sn is equal to a ब्रैकेट में 1 माइनस आर टू द पावर n अपान 1 माइनस आर. When r is greater than 1, then we will write the formula Sn is equal to a r to the power n minus 1 upon 1 minus r minus 1. This will be the formula when r is greater than 1. It will be the formula of sum of n term in GP. Now we will see the formula of geometric mean GM. When there are two terms a and b, the geometric mean of two positive number a and b will be under root ab. Positive numbers a and b will be under root ab. The geometric mean of the two positive number a and b will be under root ab. This is the formula of the geometric mean. So geometric mean G is equal to under root AB, and we know the formula of arithmetic mean A is equal to A plus B upon 2. This is the important formula. Both these are formula are very important. All these are the formulas related to exercise 9.3. Now we will study the questions of the 9.3 exercise. The formula is completed till here. We will see question number first. Find the 20th and n term of the GP 5/2, 5/4, 5/8 ... हमें GP जो दिया गया है 5/2, 5/4, 5/8, इसका हमें 20 टर्म और nth टर्म निकालना है. देखिए हम एक्सरसाइज 9.3 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को सॉल्व करेंगे. क्वेश्चन मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था, इसमें जीपी जो है वह दिया गया है. जो जीपी है वह क्या दिया गया है 5/2, 5/4, 5/8 ... इसमें हमें 20th टर्म पूछा गया है T20 और nth टर्म Tn पूछा गया है. तो जैसा कि हम जीपी के लिए Tn का फार्मूला पढ़े थे, Tn इक्वल टू ए आर टू दी पावर n माइनस 1. इसमें जो इस जीपी में ए का वैल्यू क्या है 5/2 फर्स्ट टर्म 5/2. इसमें हम कॉमन रेशियो निकालेंगे r इक्वल टू सेकेंड टर्म अपान फर्स्ट टर्म, मीन्स 5/4 अपान 5/2 मीन्स 2/5. 5 cancel and 2 2 is 4. R will be 1/2 and A will be 5/2. Then putting this value to find out Tn, we will write Tn is equal to A, we got 5/2 into R. R means 1/2 to the power n minus 1. This will be the answer for the question to find the Tn of this GP. We will simplify this more and we will get Then we can write this 5 upon 2. This will be 2 to the power minus 1 power n minus 1. This we get in the previous page. Now we will simplify more. 5 upon 2, and this one will be multiplied here. Then 2 to the power 1 minus n. It will be 5 upon 2, and when it will be n to the power minus 1, we can write this 2 to the power n minus 1 here, and it will be 5 upon 2, and 1 will be cancelled. 2 to the power n will remain. This is our answer for the Tn of the question number first of exercise 9.3. We will now find the T20th term. To find T20, we will also apply the formula Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Here is T20, means AR to the power 20 minus 1. Here will be AR to the power 19. A, what is the value of A? The value of A will be 5 upon 2, and R value 1 upon 2 power 19. This we can write 5 upon 2 into 2 to the power 19, and we will add this 1 power and 19 power, 2 to the power 20. This will be the answer for question number first for the T20th term. Now we will see question number second of exercise 9.3 of the sequence and series of class 11th. Find 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192. हमें GP का 12th टर्म फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका 8th टर्म 192 दिया गया है और कॉमन रेशियो 2 है। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करेंगे। देखिए 8th टर्म हमें दिया गया है 192, T8 विल बी 192 and common ratio is given 2. Value of R is equal to 2. We have to find the T12th term of this GP. Here we will apply the formula of Tn. T8 A R to the power 8 minus 1, A R to the power 7, and here we will write 192, and value of R common ratio is given 2. 192 is equal to A 2 to the power 7. A to 2 to the power 7 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, one more 7, 2 दूना 4 दूनी 8 दूना 16 दूना 32 दूना 64 दूना 128. It will be 128. 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. So from here we will apply and find the value of A equal to 192 upon 128. We will cut this and we will get the value of A will be 3 upon 2. The value of A will be 3 upon 2, and we have to find T12th. Means A R to the power 12 minus 1, A R to the power 11, means 3 upon 2 is the value of A, and value of R is 1 upon 2. Value of R is 2 to the power 11. Here 1 2 and 1 2 will be cancelled. Here we will get the 2 to the power 10, means the value of T12th will be 3 into 2 to the power 10 is equal to 3 into the value of 2 to the power 10 will be 1024. We will multiply this and we will get the final value. This will be our final answer for the question number 2 of the exercise 9.3 of class 11th mathematics NCERT. This is our answer. Now we will see question number 3. The 5th, 8th and 11th term of a GP are P, Q and S respectively, so that Q square is equal to PS. हमें GP में 5th टर्म, 8th टर्म और 11th टर्म का जो वैल्यू है वह दिया गया है P, Q, S. तो हमें प्रूव करना है कि Q स्क्वायर इक्वल टू PS होगा. Now we will solve question number 3. The value of 5th term, 8th term and 11th term is given as P, Q, S. 5th term मतलब T fifth is equal to A R to the power 4 is equal to P. TQ T8th is equal to A R to the power 7 is equal to Q. T11th is equal to A R to the power 10 is equal to S. We have to prove that Q square is equal to PS. Q square is equal to PS. We will take left hand side and prove equal to right hand side. LHS. Our LHS is Q square and value of Q is A R to the power 7, means A square and R to the power 14 will be LHS. And when we will multiply P and S, means here and here, then A into A means A square and R to the power 14, it will also come RHS. Hence it is proved Q square is equal to PS for the question number 3rd of exercise 9.3 of class 11th mathematics of NCERT.